In the third part of this video, I will show you how you can start mining proof of memes on HiveOS. First, you need to add wallet for proof of memes, so go to this button wallets and click on add new wallet. In the first field, type Pom. You have already added proof of memes in HiveOS, so click this, add your mining address, name your wallet and click on this button create. Now you have added wallet for proof of memes. Now we need to create a flight sheet. Go to this button flight sheets and click on add flight sheet. In the first field, where it says coin, choose proof of memes, select your wallet, select your mining pool. In the pool you have two options, cool pool and woolly pulley. For this video I will use woolly pulley. Click on this woolly pulley pool and choose your nearest location. I am from Europe and I will use European pool. Click on this button apply and now choose your miner. I will use LOL miner, so here it is LOL miner and choose this. If you need to add some other information, you can go to this button setup miner config and change some of the information here or add some extra configuration arguments. When you enter all the information you need, click on this apply changes and it will be saved in the miner options. Now we need to name this flight sheet, and after you've given a name to this flight sheet, click on create flight sheet. Now we have a flight sheet for proof of memes mining. In your mining rig, you can use this flight sheet to start mining proof of memes. Just click on the rocket button when you are on your mining rig and it will start mining proof of memes. This was a full guide on how you can start mining proof of memes. If you like this kind of videos and if these videos in some way helps to you, please support me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Bye bye.